So my name is Dean, and I dropped my iPhone on concrete a couple of days ago. It's broken. I'm gonna put it in the microwave. My girlfriend's not home, and she would not let me do this if she was. Let's go. I really hope it doesn't blow up and ruin my computer. Oh, she just scrubbed it in there too. It's looking pretty good. Alright, stand back. Oh shit, it's flashing. Now there's smoke. Don't blow up. Don't blow up. Oh, that sucked. Minor damages. Melted there. It's hot. Needs to be microwaved a little longer, I think. Oh, I need to. There's smoke in here. Hang on. I'm gonna turn on this here vent. Alright. Oh shit, it's on fire. It's on fire. Hang on. Maybe that's not too bad. Yes it is. Oh god! Yes. Not on fire. Anymore. More how to do it. Oh yeah! What was that? You see that? You see that? Jeez. Alright, I don't want to get blown up. That's about all I'm going to do. Where's my phone? Yeah! So, these are the final damages. Right here. Some circuits coming out. I think popped off. Still hot. This here screen's coming out. Good times. My kitchen smells like hell. I don't know when Becky's coming home, but it's been 5 hours.